In this tutorial, we'll look at one of the new features introduced in Drakkar Culling Pro 1.3.0, support for procedurally generated levels. We'll analyze the sample scene called Procedural Level. As we can see, the scene contains a room manager set to dynamic mode, configured to handle up to 200 rooms, portals, and cross-room objects. There is also a visibility manager, since our rooms can contain both occluders and occludees. As usual, the scene includes a Drakkar updater. I previously prepared some prefabs for my rooms, along with a specific prefab for a portal. The portal prefab is configured as dynamic, with dimensions that adapt to the rooms used in this example. If we look at one of the room prefabs, we can see that it's also set to dynamic, and besides the objects it contains, it uses portal spawn components instead of actual portals. A portal spawn is a surrogate for a portal and is used in procedurally added rooms. It holds a reference to the portal prefab that will be generated at runtime. It's important to ensure that when two rooms are spawned next to each other, their portal spawns are either perfectly aligned or very close to one another. We can also notice that Dynamic Sources is enabled. This means that once the room is processed, it will dynamically search for all renderers belonging to its sources. The other two room prefabs are configured the same way. In the scene, there is a level creator, which contains a script responsible for spawning the rooms, simulating the procedural generation of a game level. The example script is very simple. It just spawns the room prefabs at the positions of some pre-placed transforms. While instantiating the rooms, the script stores all the Drakkar room components in a list. As a final step, we simply pass the list to init dynamic rooms to automatically configure the rooms and make the occlusion culling system work. When we enter play mode, we can see that the rooms are correctly managed by the room manager. For more details, please refer to the Drakkar Culling Pro documentation.